what's up and welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be making barbecue flavored subs at home in your very own kitchen at your very own kitchen table. And these are very easy to make and very yummy at the end to eat. Okay, for this recipe we are going to be needing sub bread for our subs, and these breads are easily available at any mart and are very reasonable in price. We're also going to be needing half kg of chicken breast cut into strips. For the spices, we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, half cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. For the sauces, we're going to be needing mayonnaise, mustard, and burger sauce, which is a mixture of mayonnaise and hot sauce. So around 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise into the hot sauce into the mayonnaise. Okay. We're also going to be needing cheese slices, olives, onion, tomato, bell pepper, and iceberg. Okay. Now we are going to be marinating our chicken. Start by adding the brown sugar, oregano, this, salt, black pepper, paprika. Now I'm going to be adding the mayonnaise. Just out. And the barbecue sauce. There. And I'm just going to mix this. And then what I like to do is I like to give it a shake. So I'm just going to take the box, close it, and shake it well. And then the spices just get mixed evenly. There. See? Everything's mixed evenly. And now I'm gonna refrigerate this for around 15 to 30 minutes so that the spices get soaked into the chicken and give us more flavor. Take the chicken out of the refrigerator and now it's ready for cooking. I'm just gonna take the lid off. That looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna be cooking these in olive oil because it's healthy, but if you do not have this, you can cook this in normal oil as well, or any that you have available. Okay, I'm just adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons in there, and I'm going to add in my chicken into this. And once that's in, you just let it cook. Chicken is ready. It's time to take it off the stove. So always turn the stove off, and I'm gonna bring it to the counter. And it's time for assembling it. Okay, so I have the bread here. Okay, looks so good, doesn't it? Just gonna cut a third of it. There. I'm just gonna keep the rest on the side. There you have it, your bread. And first, we are going to put the cheese on. I'm just going to open this, put it on the top side. Okay. I forgot to tell you that before you unpack your cheese, you want to cut it. And so, okay, there. There. Now we're just gonna toast this. I'm just gonna transfer it to my plate, take it to the microwave, cover it with a lid, and in it goes. You just want the cheese to melt. No, the cheese is melted and I've taken it out of the microwave, and now it's time to do the filling. I'm gonna start by adding in the chicken. There. And then I'm going to add in our veggies. So some capsicum, tomatoes, onions, and olives. I think that gives the most taste. Obviously, iceberg. Well, look, it's time for the sauces. Got my mayonnaise here. Just going to put some on. Mustard. And burger sauce. So it is now officially done and it looks amazing. Like, just look at that. Amazing. And it's really, like, look. You have the cheese, the chicken, the veggies, the sauce, everything a sub needs. This is a perfect sub, and you guys should really try this recipe at home. And if you do, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!